he might be the only dude that could get you to be able to smoke in Dubai.
Factory.
Because you can't smoke this.
I'm gonna keep it real. This new weed, listen.
It's
if I don't have none, I'm straight. That shit be too strong.
Too crazy?
Too crazy.
Yeah.
No reason.
It don't got that weed feel. That shit's just like you smoking some
Crack.
Yeah, like you smoking some shit. It ain't got that feel. So if I don't have it, I don't have it.
There's no pressure.
There's no pressure.
Since you've been gone, man, definitely changed, man. They got 90 different strains and you know what I'm saying, this and that and the third. So you gotta sometimes be careful where you get the product from.
I mean, we definitely on dispensary time. Shout out to Gumbo, that's bro. We make sure everything right. We get the good stuff. It's just strong.
You be hallucinating?
Nah, it's a little strong. Sometimes it be a little strong on the lungs. Then you got the grabber and all that. Niggas be mixing in they shit. I be trying to keep up a little bit, but I just got,
the grabber's a different wave. Yeah. If you smoke CIs, then you could deal with that. If not, then it's like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.